Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about package product enhancements in version 9.1. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Template creation in package product. So in this release, we have given facility to create templates in package products. Also, those created templates, customer can browse using browse design button. Next, we have template preview enhancement. So in this, customer will have facility to view package products in 3D throughout the front store. Next, we have set material type for package product. So in this, admin have facility to create package product material using as a background or foreground. And then we have allow custom size option in price calculator. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, as you can see, we need to go to the product packages, and here we have given a button browse design. So when you enable it, so after this you will be able to create templates in package products. So we have enabled this button and we save this, and then we go to the product templates. So here when we add a new template, so here we need to select the product type and product title, and also we need to select the product from the list. So here we need to select the product type and the product and size. So here we can create the design, and when we save this and then click on continue, so here we can see our design is created for product box. And now when we go to the storefront and when we go to the product page, when we go to the browse design button, here are all our designs will show under the browse design page, and the preview will be shown into the 3D preview as you can see over here. And then we have another feature where we can see in the additional options when we go to the material type. So when we click on designer rules, here we can see in the designer preview images, we have given one button called allow image as foreground or background. So here when you disable this and when you save this, so here when you go to the storefront and select the material type and click on custom design, so here you can see the image is appearing as background. So when you add any text or image, so this image will work as a background and the text will appear as a foreground over it. Similarly, when you enable this as a foreground, it will work reverse. So the image will be appear as a foreground and the text will display below that. Next, we have 3D preview throughout the front store. So we have given facility where the 3D preview will appear in the shopping cart as well as in saved designs. Another setting we have given when we choose custom size, and under this there is a button to allow custom size in price calculator. So if admin wants to show this custom size button on the storefront, when we see here there is an option to choose custom size and customer can put length, width and height. And then here this button if you disable and when you save it, then here only these predefined sizes which are added over here will appear on the storefront. So as you can see when we refresh the page, here we can see only the predefined sizes which are added into the custom size option. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.